So I decided to make biryani rice for my family for the first time, and I was amazed by the results. I came to discover that biryani rice is the most flavorful rice that I have ever consumed. To get started, I'm first prepping the ginger, the garlic and the onion. And then I prepped the chicken breast that I had already skinned. I'm now trimming off the extra fat. And then cut it into my desired sizes. Lying here, I'm blending the ginger, the garlic and the onion that I had already prepped. Right here, I am prepping the marinade for the chicken by first using half a lemon juice. Then add in the ginger, the garlic and the onion blend that you already prepared. And then I'm using some chopped parsley, but you can also use cilantro. We also need plain yogurt. For the spices, I'm using cardamom pods. I'm also using chili, paprika, gram masala, salt, turmeric, and cilantro spices. Then I mix up everything very well. And then I put it in the refrigerator for like an hour to marinate. We will also need a lot of fried onions, and I'm prepping that oil for that. And then on a different pot, I'm prepping the onions that's gonna be on the main pot for biryani. Then added in some diced tomatoes. Let them cook for a few minutes and then we add in the chicken. And then we're not wasting anything. We're gonna add in all this goodness. I then give them a quick mix. And then I'm covering them up and let them cook until they are well done. And at this point, on this other corner, we are frying the onions. On a different cooking pot, I'm prepping the rice. I had already added in the water. I'm then adding in the cooking oil, chili peppers, bay leaves, cardamom pods, peppercorns, salt, and lemon juice. And as you can see, I'm multitasking. I'm cooking 3 pots at the same time so we can get everything ready at the same time. And as you can see, our chicken is almost done. And on this other end, our onions are nicely done. And here we go, all looking nice and ready for the next step. And then after the water had reached the boiling point, I then added in the rice that I had already cleaned until the water ran clear. I'll let the rice cook until like 70% done, and then I'm gonna strain it. And at this point, it looks like our chicken is done and ready for the next step. And then I'm going to layer the rice into the main pot as shown in the video. And then I'm adding orange food color that is just optional. So remember, our rice was just 70% done, so I'm covering it up with aluminum foil, then reduce the heat into low and let it cook until it is nicely dried and all done. And look at that. The results were just unbelievable. I have never eaten or cooked biryani rice before, and I was very impressed with the results. And to help me grow this channel, kindly subscribe and then hit up the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And let me just say that this is the first time I ever cooked or ate biryani rice, and compared to the other rice I have ever cooked or eaten before, biryani is on the top of the list, and I was very much impressed by the results. This rice was very flavorful, and I hope you have been inspired to go and try this recipe. And kindly watch this next video for more amazing rice recipes. So until we meet in the next video, may the Lord bless you, may the Lord keep you, may He watch over you, and may He give you peace. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.